While people enjoy shouting to fans by dealing with lots of exaggerating advertisement effects, a low-key hero breaking through many dangerous obstacles appears in Divine, the torch of justice, the spirit of love, and the miracle of the terrible society. Spider-Man. Today, we have the opportunity to invite him to our news lab and have a little chat with him. It's such a pleasure to meet you, my hero. I have a couple of questions for you. Hero will never be defeated, so don't bother to ask. Okay, so how do you feel when you face some unsolved situation? Well, heroes don't face obstacles because they have talents of solving problems. I know. I mean, what kind of emotion come up in your mind at the first second when you face difficulties? What causes your calmness? Sounds cliche, but I always tell myself I'm the greatest justice fighters in the world, and then do 3 handstands and shout it, "Baby, I'm coming." Imagine the one who needs help is a beauty would be more efficient. Okay, then how do you reply to your fans if you save one of them? Wait, have you ever had this experience? I think all I have saved was see me as their hero, so you have to change your question into how would you reply to your fans? First of all, I will plead all of you to lower your screaming voices because they disrupt my task. And second, wait, so gratefulness for your fans is unnecessary? Why should I thank them? I saved them. Next question. What do you think about your working suit? It's really flexible and light, but I think it needs more decorations. So low-key is not what you like? People think heroes are low-key and cool, cliched, stereotyped. Everyone can have the right to become good-looking. Pardon, I have a tricky question for you. Do you think Batman is an admirable hero? If you two have battle, who will win the competition? I admit that Batman is a hero, but our level is way too far. I'm at the top of mountain and he's just on his way of half. So I have to bother you to apologize for your lousy question and listen. The little bat will never beat me. I can crack him down with only my little finger. What's more, I can stop. Our interview ends here because of your gorgeous speech. I can't believe heroes behave like that. What our society calls for is not justice, not love, not compassion, but self-consciousness. Our exclusive news ends here. Thank you for your attention.